All right, so for number 2, I think I'll stay up there and just kind of think of a different rhythm to do here. We'll mix it up a little bit. All right, let's do something in 3/4. So this is number 12, and it'll be down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So here we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Repeat. Now, one thing that I'm doing in here is I'm playing some chord inversions, and this is in another course. This is the half bar chord course, but it's also inverting triads. So instead of playing A like this and D like this, I could, and that's fine, but I wanted to give you a new kind of sound, which is, this is a pretty common thing to do, is take this A chord and play your D like this. So it's still a D chord, but it's like a D F sharp, but I'm hitting the A in there too. So the 5th of the chord. It's a great way to add a cool kind of little tension, and especially with where you're capo doing something else, it's a pretty nice sound. So that's something to play around with too. And that muted thing I'm doing kind of just makes the notes be a little more mellow. They don't jump out as much, instead of, which, you could do that too.